Hey, health enthusiasts! Today I've got some exciting news for you. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of a plant based diet and how it can revolutionize your health and well being in 2024. Plant based diets have been gaining popularity worldwide as a go to choice for a healthy lifestyle. More and more people are embracing this way of eating, not only for its positive impact on personal health, but also for its environmental sustainability. So, what makes plant based diets so special, and why should you consider making the switch? Transitioning to a plant based diet may seem daunting at first, especially with common misconceptions and challenges looming over. Many people worry about getting enough protein or essential nutrients, while others fear missing out on their favorite foods. But fear not, as with the right knowledge and planning, these challenges can easily be overcome. Let's delve into the plethora of health benefits that come with adopting a plant-based diet. From improved heart health to better weight management and increased energy levels, the advantages are truly remarkable. Studies have shown that plant-based eaters tend to have lower risks of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes, making it a compelling choice for overall well-being. Now, picture this. Recent studies and success stories have highlighted the transformative effects of a plant-based diet on overall health and longevity. Individuals have reported significant improvements in their health markers, such as cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and even mood. It's truly inspiring to witness how a simple dietary change can yield such profound results. In summary, the benefits of a plant-based diet are undeniable. By choosing to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your daily meals, you're not only nourishing your body, but also contributing to a healthier planet. So, why not take a step towards a brighter, healthier future today? If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on plant-based living and health tips. Together, let's empower ourselves to make informed choices that benefit both our health and the world around us. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates on the healthiest plant-based diet benefits in 2024. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.